Hey there, I'm Bo Ingram, author of ScyllaDB in Action. Databases, they're a challenging topic. A database not only needs to store data, but be able to easily scale alongside your application, and of course, remain resistant to downtime. I've written a book about one database that I've worked with extensively and I'm pretty fond of, ScyllaDB. It's a distributed NoSQL database that is a more performant rewrite of Apache Cassandra that emphasizes fault tolerance and scalability. While running a database can be tricky, I've distilled my experience in this book to guide you through running ScyllaDB. You'll not only learn how to query the thing, but to design applications that use it effectively, as well as how to run it in both happy times and those scary moments in the middle of the night when things might be awry. If you want to run ScyllaDB in production, this is the book for you. Don't surrender to inaction. Go to manning.com and purchase ScyllaDB in Action today